But honestly, if you're not careful, you could end up wasting hours on something that could completely ruin your entire project. Just kidding. Let me show you a viral video I created.
Guess the Celebrity Smart Edition. Who is this? The Rockin' Will Smith. Who is this? Donald Trump and Joe Biden.
Did you get it correct? Let me know in the comments section down below. Guys, you are doing TikTok completely wrong and it's not your fault. Let me show you how to do it. This niche I found here is called Guess the Celebrity Niche, and it is blowing up, especially on TikTok. That's not all. What if I tell you I will show you how to make these videos for free? So buckle up your seatbelt and let's hit the road. Head over to Google and search for popular celebrities. Click on it and click on the image. From here, you need to select 2 images that could be used for the face swap. For example, I'm going to select this one over here, Dwayne Johnson, and then click on Save As, then save the image and the second one too. I'm going to select Will Smith and I will save that one too. If you are new here, you can join our community called Future Tech Crew by subscribing to stay notified for our future videos. Feel free to leave your questions below. Now we head over to the next step, which is the face swap. Click on the first link in the description and head over to this website called iCool. First, click on Sign In from this section over here and sign in with your email account. You can see from the top section here the credit usage for the image costs 4 credits each time and the video costs 10 credits for 10 seconds. But guys, there is a problem. This tool isn't free. You can see the payment plans, but wait, I understand your situation. You want it for free, right? Chill, because Top AI Tech is here for you and I'm going to show you how you can use it for free without paying, so keep watching. Click on Choose File, then select one of the images that you downloaded from Google. We are going to choose this one over here as the background image. As you can see, it's selected as a background image. Then we are going to select the other one to do the face swapping. So click on this plus icon over here and choose the second image. You can see that this image has been uploaded over here, so click on it to select it. Now when you come to this down section over here, you can change the age. You can slide it to the left or to the right. Let's maintain this one and click on high quality face swap. This is going to face swap the image with an explicit result. You can see that it has face swapped the image that we did over here, and it looks very amazing. Now this tool also has realistic avatar, video, translate talking photo, image generator, and background change. You can see that the final result had some kind of watermark if you are using it for free, but I'm going to show you how to get rid of the watermark. So head over to watermarkmover.io or click on the link in the description and choose the image that you downloaded. So I'll go to my download section over here and I'll drag and drop the image into this section over here. Guys, you can see that the watermark is gone. It is completely cool. The watermark from the tool is actually gone. And the second one too, you can see that the watermark for the second image is also gone. So click on this download here and download the image for free. You can upload 2 images a day, but you can search for other alternatives. We are moving on to the next step, which is the script. Now head over to 11 Labs and type in this script over here. Guess the Celebrity Smart Edition and click on the generate button.
Guess the Celebrity Smart Edition.
Now the next is typing the answers. That is the name of the kind of celebrity that you chose. In my case, I chose Dwayne Johnson. That is the Rockin' Will Smith. So type it in here and click on the generate again to generate the speech. And the last one is you type in who is this, then you generate the speech. But I told you that I'm going to show you how you can use this one for free. So if you can't afford 11 Labs for now, head over to TTS Maker and you can choose the kind of AI voice that you want to generate the speech without paying anything. Let's test some of the voices of TTS Maker.
TTS Maker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
TTS Maker is a professional voice generator that uses artificial intelligence technology. This is an example of a whispering emotion. Imagine sharing a secret in a quiet and gentle tone.
You can see that they have different kinds of emotions. You can choose from angry, cheerful, sad, excited, whispering, unfriendly, shouting, and different types that you want, which is completely free if you can't afford 11 Labs for now. Now guys, we are going to do the editing. We will be using CapCut, which has a free version with great features, but you can choose to use any editing software you want. Click on New Project. But guys, trust me, you don't need any fancy or sick edits. For the videos now, start to import all the images and the voiceovers over here, then select the first voiceover into the timeline. For the videos, you need a video that will keep the viewer watching to boost your retention. So you can use Minecraft gameplay for that, which is a great option, but you can also use GTA 5. But please make sure that the gameplay is original. You can play the game yourself and record it because TikTok has been flagging accounts that have unoriginal gameplay. So choose wisely, please. To make it more professional, add this text, Guess the Celebrity Smart Edition, and you can select the font, size, color, and more. Start to arrange the images according to the voiceover. Don't forget to add a timer to the video. After that, continue to add the images according to the voiceover and do that to all the other images. But your TikTok videos need to be at least 1 minute long, so I recommend downloading up to about 10 to 15 images. Add some sound effects to the video, especially when the images are appearing on the screen. So to do that, go to the audio section over here, click on it and select sound effects. Choose the suitable sound effect for the videos. Guys, let me do the basic editing and I will show you the final results.
Guess the Celebrity Smart Edition. Who is this? The Rock and Will Smith. Who is this? Donald Trump and Joe Biden. Who is this? Jack Chan and Donnie Yen.
I recommend subscribing to the Pro plan for high quality images and all the features Cool offers. Don't forget to use my discount code THANKYOU at checkout for 40% off. Don't forget to check out the best 17 monetizable TikTok niches you can try right now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.